Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPad model and the latest compatible iOS so you know what to expect. Once done, start a full backup to iCloud or to your computer via Finder or iTunes. Backups prevent data loss. Make sure the battery is charged above half an hour on a reliable Wi-Fi network. If storage is low, remove large apps or media now because the download and installation need free space and uninterrupted connectivity to proceed. You now move into the installation phase by opening Settings, General, then Software Update so the device can check Apple's servers. If an update appears, tap Download and Install and follow on-screen prompts. The system may ask to temporarily remove apps to free space and will reinstall them afterwards. Once the download finishes, the iPad prepares and restarts to install. Make sure not to power off during this time. If over-the-air stalls, connect to a computer and update via Finder. You finish by completing the post-install setup and verifying the version number under Settings, General, about to confirm success. Next, update your apps in the App Store and confirm your backup restored correctly. Deleted apps are usually reinstalled automatically. If the device won't boot or the update repeatedly fails, connect to a computer and retry updating via Finder or iTunes. As a last resort, enter recovery mode to reinstall iOS. But make sure you have a backup because recovery mode can erase data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.